Hey guys, welcome back to the Studley Vlog. Today is a Fire Chasers edition. We are out on July 4th photographing all of the crazy stuff that's happening in the valley. I'm with my buddy Leo and we were responding to a bunch of different calls. So when you're out stringing, normally you get a few calls here and there, but literally it was call after call after call. Everyone was reporting fires and everyone was just lighting fireworks off.
So smoky, dude.
So we were responding to calls on the radio, and we were on our way to another call when we came across a fire on the side of the freeway.
Still alarm. Oh my god, it's brush fire. Still alarm, brush fire. Still alarm, brush fire on the freeway. Still alarm, brush fire. I'm gonna call 911.
So in case you were wondering, you shouldn't just pull over on the side of the freeway unless it's an emergency, and we have emergency lights on our car, so we're safe. So Leo hopped over the fence on the side of the freeway to go get some shots. So here's what he got. So I was just chilling, waiting for Leo to get his shots and head back. And then some other stringers popped up and they were shooting as well. But yeah, it's just kind of crazy being on the side of the freeway and just hearing sirens going off everywhere because there's so many calls.
We did not find a 16333.
Oh, frick.
We don't have anything showing. Passport 87 will handle. Passport 87 on here. Find no address, such address, nothing.
So we pulled up to another fire on another side of the freeway, and this was a call that came in on the side of the 5 freeway heading into Sandy. Got that on video.
Oh.
We ventured over into Van Nuys where there was some people lighting fireworks off trying to light trees on fire, and they happened to get a few, and so the firemen were out there putting it out. We headed to a call a few blocks away where a man had fallen off of a building and landed on an electrical cord, and then was actually fighting the paramedics and firemen who came to help. And so LAPD showed up with backup, and yeah, it was just a crazy scene. But me and Leo were shooting it, and these three guys came up behind us and started yelling at us, and shout out to the LAPD officers who turned around and kind of stared them down, and the guys ended up leaving. But yeah, it's pretty crazy out. After that, we responded to a fire over in Silmar area, which the firemen were able to put out pretty quick, so we actually didn't even get any shots from it, but we were hanging out with the battalion chiefs. Thanks for tuning in to today's Studley vlog. We'll be coming out with more pretty soon, so keep an eye out.